Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into INFINIX Hot 12i. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon, changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list choose your application, maybe Brawl Stars will be nice. So now when we choose application, need to choose your new icon, maybe in this block something, maybe this one or this one. Okay, so for saving this icon need tap in the top right corner OK button and wait a second for generating. Then need close ads maybe a few times because it's free application. Now tap add to home screen and we got success message. So go to our home screen and find, oh here we got our new icon of Brawl Stars. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.